What do you have? What do you need?
Please.
I need handcuffs.
No.
Can
Absolutely.
we turn him?
Here, don't let go.
I
Be
need water.
careful. Be careful. Be careful.
He's fucked. Okay.
Hey,
So
breathe.
what?
Turn him around.
Can I take a
Breathe.
deep breath?
Hey,
What do you need?
Hey, get some
I need
handcuffs.
water.
I'm gonna move this hand back. We'll get you some water. Just calm and let us cuff you, okay? Hey, we're gonna get you. I believe you. We're gonna get you cuffed, okay?
You can turn him. Take his leg right there. Take that leg and turn him over.
Hey.
This way, towards me.
Hey,
Take
which
that
way?
hand.
This way?
This way. Yep.
Okay, we're going over.
We're gonna
Hey,
turn.
hey, breathe. Breathe. Get him cuffed.
I need him lifted here.
Okay. Hey, nope. Nope. We're getting you cuffed. It's almost over. Hey, it's
Stop.
okay. We're gonna get you cuffed.
Yeah, I got it.
Hey,
I got him.
I can barely breathe, please.
okay.
Yes, just
okay.
give us a second.
Let us get you cuffed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can I get turned over, please?
Calm. Okay.
Hold on
calm.
one second. Stop.
Calm.
Stop.
Calm.
I got him.
Calm.
Take a deep breath. You're
Thank
okay.
you.
Hey, we're gonna
got
be
it.
Thank
okay.
you.
You guys are fine.
Thank you. That's all I need.
Go to your. Can you go to your knees?
Yes.
Okay.
That's all I need.
Okay. Hold on.
You okay?
No.
Do you need to take him inside?
One of them got bit.
My face.
I got it. I need you to go on your knees. I got it. Go on your
I
knees.
can barely breathe. Don't my
Hold on. Get on your knees.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Stop.
we're gonna get you up. Okay.
I can't get up though.
Stand up.
Okay.
Stand.
It's
Come
okay.
on.
It's okay. Come on. Come on.
I need you to stand up for me, okay? Are you going to South Seminole? Yeah. Come on.
Hold on.
Stop. Nope. We're
I need
going.
to sit down.
Nope. We're going. You can
No, I
sit down when
can't.
we get inside.
I can't.
Can you take this if I get his legs?
I got it. Okay.
All right.
We got this.
We got it.
Breathe. Breathe. In your nose, out your
You know the code? Hey, do you know the code? Does she know? No, it's in my dinner. Hey, sir.
Hold on. Put me more up. Put me more up. More up.
Breathe.
But he fucked up. This is closed. That's my only thing.
Ma'am, sit me down at the door, please.
Just a second.
Please. Let me lay down.
Okay. I'm trying to run.
He's okay. He's not gonna run. He's fine. No, I know, but I'm saying right now, yeah. Thank you. Stand up, open your arms, yeah.
I just need some water.
So what? You can't get water right now. Unfortunately, that's not happening. So,
Please.
do you want to put him back in your car? Because this is not open.
Hey,
Yes, sir.
ma'am. Officer Ackerman.
Yes. Please, what?
I just.
Unfortunately, that's not happening. You did this to yourself.
Al, can you turn me over? Can you turn me over? The handcuffs.
Well, stop moving your hands. You're fine.
16, 12, are you here?
I can't have you be on your stomach, okay? That can't happen.
Could I be on my side?
Yeah, your side's fine.
That's good. That's perfect right there. I just need to look at my face, please.
You okay?
Okay.
You guys deserve an award. That was really calm, seriously.
No, I'm not leaving.
Dude, you already told me that once. I don't believe shit you say right now. You fought at least 20 fucking cops today, bro.
Alright.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
We're okay, yeah. We're okay. Thank you.
I don't think so.
What do you want?
Huh?
What do you want?
I just need to get him in there.
But this is closed.
Please.
This is closed.
I need to get in there.
Stop. Stop.
I can barely breathe.
Okay, you're talking just fine. You're breathing just fine. I believe so, yeah. Well, this entrance, yeah, so we just have to get him somewhere else. So if we can do that. Because we picked him up and walked him here. So if we can just pick him up, yeah, then he'll be fine.
Hold on.
Probably into someone's car because he needs to be put somewhere.
Oh, did you want Does he want to get cleared? Have them take it?
No, I have to get a Medicare for the jail.
No, so they can lock him in the empty.
Oh.
That's what I'm saying.
I would not trust him with that deed.
Yeah,
He
no.
pulled out CCIB and fucked us up over here.
Two people go in the back with him.
I'm not going in a close space with that.
That's fine. I got it.
That you
Does
can
he need to go
either
inside?
stuff him
No,
Yeah,
in
well,
my
this
car.
is closed, so we need to go somewhere.
Whose car is he going in?
And
Do you have a full?
Yep.
Hey,
Hold on.
anything stupid, don't get fucked up. So don't be stupid.
Ow, my hand.
That sucks. Can you go to the other side?
Yep. Ow.
Undo the seatbelt so you can pull him through.
I don't know. Where am I taking?
That's the only one. Just take him to all one. Take him to all one.
Got it.
Because the other one is a nightmare.
There, yeah.
Yeah, well, that's fine. Oh, fine.
Wait, I'm stuck.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oh yeah, and of course you just have.
Uniform 3. Hey, we're going to Ultima.
you're going to AHA?
Yep.
All right, we'll meet you there.
Are you guys okay?
Thank you.
No, of
fucking
course.
damn it. Thank
You
you.
know, I was like, you
We
know
didn't
what?
know where you were. They're like, I was like, South Summa.